Let us start with the user-defined functions and local and global variables scope. You know that local variable is local to a function, global variable is available to all the functions. Okay, now we will see with the example how this local and global variable concept works. See, for example, define the function span. Okay, definition always followed by colon. Now, take a variable x equal to, this is local to span, correct? Local to span. Okay, you can store anything in the egg, local to span you are stored. Now you are going to print x. Okay, it prints which is local to span. Now define one more function, bacon, and here you assign something else to x. Because this is variable of bacon function, I am going to store local to bacon. Okay, this variable is local to bacon. Now if you try to print x, which x it prints? Which is local to bacon, correct? Now here, if you call the function span inside the bacon and if you try to print x, which x it prints? Whether it prints local to bacon or local to span, that's the question. Which x it prints? That's the question, correct? Now in the main function, outside of this two function, main function, once again you define a variable called x with the same name, but this becomes a global. Okay, global, therefore I am storing the data as global. Okay, global, this is global. Now this is a main function, correct? If you try to print x here, print x, which x it prints? It has to print global, correct? Now you call function bacon. Okay, you call function bacon. You know bacon function calling span function also. Therefore I am going to call function bacon, and then after calling the function bacon you print x. Now the question is which x it prints? Whether it prints a global x or the x which is defined in the bacon function, or the x which is defined in the span function. That's the question, correct? Now to understand this program properly, we run this. Okay, first we run this. See here, how does it work? We have to trace from main function because this is the main function. This is the main function. Start tracing from main function. Okay, and this program is written for global and local variable scope. Global and local variables scope. Okay, concept is scope of global and local variable. As I said, main function is the function which is having x equal to global, correct? In the main function there is a global variable called as x and you are going to print x. Therefore see, you start from the main function, it prints a global x because global is defined outside the main function or in the main function. Okay, global is printed. Now bacon, you are calling bacon function. Bacon is defined here. In the bacon there is a x which is local to bacon, correct? And then there is a print command. Print x prints this local to bacon, and now you are going to call span. In the span you stored local to span in the x. Okay, after calling span you are trying to print x. Now, after calling sparm, see, in the sparm function, there is a print function, correct? In the sparm function, there is a print function. What it does, in the sparm function, local to sparm is stored in the X. Therefore, that sparm function executes and local to sparm, this will be outputted, and then, see, after calling the sparm, control comes to this print X statement. See, in the sparm function, there is a print X. It prints a local to sparm because local to sparm is local to sparm function. But after calling the sparm, you are going to print X. Correct? See, this print X prints which X? Here, X local to bacon, that is stored in the X variable. Correct? X equal to local to bacon is stored in the X variable. Therefore, this print X local to bacon has to be printed now in this print statement. Correct? And then next, see, after calling bacon function, you are given once again print X. See, as well, see, as even though you called a bacon function, in the bacon function, whatever X you defined local to bacon will be printed. Sparm function will be called. In the sparm function, local to sparm will be printed, and then after calling the sparm function, print X will print this local to bacon. Okay, and then the next is, last one is, after calling the bacon, printing X. After calling the bacon, printing X will print global. Okay, prints global because global is stored in the X. Correct? In this way, now if you run the program, you understand the concept of this local and global variable.